welcome again to mathematics subject. Our topic is about graph analysis part 1. Mathematics series, graph analysis part 1. Okay, there's a question. In the figure, the line y equals 6 minus x cuts the curve y squared equals 3x at the points A and B. At the points A and B. Oh, this one, right? Okay. Okay, good. And the x-axis at C, this one. Okay, good. There are 3 coordinates, right? Intersection, right? There are 3 intersections. Find the coordinates of A, B, and C. And then the question number B, the ratio AC to CB. The ratio. Oh, very easy, I think. Okay. Okay, students, now we're going to solve this question. I think this question is very easy. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is the coordinates and what is the intersection? When the graph y squared equals 3x cut the line y equals 6 minus x. Okay, so y squared equals 3x cut y equals 6 minus x. I think the first approachment to solve this question and then to find the intersection for line and curve, right? Just write y equals y, finish. Or by using the substitution, yeah. We're going to use the substitution, I think. Substitution, eh? Substitution. Yeah, substitution method. I think easier for us to solve this question, right? So you just insert y equals 6 minus x to the curve. So y squared equals 3x, and then 6 minus x squared equals 3x. And then here you can expand here 36 minus 12x plus x squared equals 3x. You can simplify this one by moving 3x to the left side. So x squared minus 15x plus 36 equals 0. Is it? Good. Now the next step is to factorize, right? Factorize to find x. By using the factorization here, this is x, this one is x, and then positive, c is positive 36. I think here is negative, and the factor of 36 to produce 15. I think here 12, and this one is 3. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now we're going to separate this factorization to be 2 parts. X minus 12 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals 12 and then x equals 3. So that's, now we got 2x, right? Okay, now take the graph here, check the graph, yeah? Now I think we're going to position x equals 3. I think you agree with me, x equals 3 is here, right? Yeah. And then 12 is here. I think you agree with me, right? Because x equals 3 is closer to origin point 0, 0, right? That's the x-axis. Okay, now what about the ordinate or the coordinate, right? Next, when x equals 3, let's say this one is x1, and the second is x2, let's say 12, we have to find y1, right? Yeah, automatically 2x2, 2, y2. Which one that you're going to use to find y1? Just take the simple one. I think you have to take this one, right? This is very easy, right? So y equal 6 minus x, right? And then 6 minus 3, you got 3, is it? So your coordinate is 3, comma 3, right? And then the second, x2 is 12. So y equals 6 minus x. By inserting x2 equals 12, y is 6 minus 12, you got minus 6, right? And then your coordinate is 12, comma, minus 6.
Minus 6.
Is it? Right.
Sir.
Okay, good. I think you agree with me. Here is minus 6. And here is 3. Right? Okay, so that's why the coordinate is 12, comma, minus 6. And here is 3, comma, 3. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we got 2 coordinates, right? We got 2 coordinates, right? Okay, what about C? Now our job is to find coordinate C. Okay, here this one, C. Okay, C lies on y equals 6 minus x. Do you agree with me? Point C lies on y equals 6 minus x, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
And then meet C cuts x-axis. Is it? What the meaning of x? C cuts x-axis. What's the meaning? The meaning is y equals 0. So y equals 6 minus x. By inserting y equals 0, 0 equals 6 minus x. So automatically x is 6. So our coordinate now is 6, comma 0. So this one is 6, comma 0. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now is the ratio. Okay, ratio. AC to CB. Okay, AC to CB. I think that's very easy, right? The ratio AC to CB. Is it correct, everyone? So you have to find the segment AC, right? AC root of delta x squared plus delta y squared. Now AC, number 1 here, A is 3 comma 3, right? C is 6 comma 0, right? So AC root of delta x, this one, right? 3 minus 6, right? 3 minus 6 square delta y is 1. 3 minus 0 square. I think you got here root of 18. Is it? Or 3 root of 2 unit, right? Now is CB. You're going to find CB. CB. Root of delta x squared plus delta y squared, right? Okay. C is 6 comma 0 and B is 12 comma minus 6. Okay. So CB root of delta x 6 minus 12 minus 6 squared, and then delta y here 0 minus minus 6 squared, right? So you have 6 root of 2. Is it clear to you?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Clear, right? Okay, good. So the question is ratio AC to CB, right? AC to CB. So AC to CB equal AC is 3 root of 2 and CB is 6 root of 2, right? Is it correct? This one is blue
Yes,
color.
sir.
I thought brown color. This one, CB. Right? And then we have to cancel this one, right? Cancel. Is it? So, AC to CB equal 3 over 6 or 1 over 2. So that's the final answer, number 1. So AC to CB is 1, 2, 2. Done. Okay, so now we go to the next question, right? Okay, here we are the next question here. In the figure, the line y equal 3 minus x intersects the curve y equal 2x power half. And the x-axis at the points end respectively. Oh, very easy. The same question, okay? Okay, so now we go. The first equation is y is 2x power half, right? Commonly, we can write this one 2 root of x, right? And then the line equation is y equal 3 minus x. Good. Okay. We are going to insert y equal 3 minus x to the curve. Okay, so y equal y here. So 3 minus x equal to root of x, right? And then we are going to square 11 right to avoid root. Okay, to cancel root. This one, right? To cancel root, we have to square. Okay, so we got 3 minus x squared equal to root of x squared. So this one is 9 minus 6x plus x squared equal 4x, correct? 2 squared 4, root x squared x, and then move to the left side here, move. So it will be x squared minus 10x plus 9 equals 0. Okay, clear. Next, we have x squared minus 10x plus 9 equals 0. You have to factorize, right? Factorize equals 0 here. X squared is x, and this one is positive 9. Is it? So it will be minus 9 minus 1, right? So x minus 9 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 9, and another one is x is 1. Let's say this one is x1 and the rest is x2. Okay, as usual, you have to find y1. Okay, you have to find the pair, right? Pair. Okay, go. So, try to find y. Which one the equation that we're going to use? Better this one. Okay, the simplest one. So, y equal 3 minus x by inserting x equal 9 here. So y equal 3 minus 9, we got minus 6. Is it? So the coordinate is 9 comma minus 6. At the same way to the x2 equal 1. Y equal 3 minus x by inserting x2 equal 1. So we got 3 minus 1, we got 2. So the coordinate is 1 comma 2. Okay, we got the coordinate right here. This is the coordinate. This is the first, and this one is the rest. Now we're going to plot the data on the graph. Plot the data on the graph. Which one? I think you agree with me. This one is 1, right? So this one is 1. 1, right? So this one is 2, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
So A is 1 comma 2. So what about 9 minus 6? Another position, right? Another position. Maybe here, down here. It's okay. Okay, now is B. You have to find B. What about B? Okay, B. B. B lies on y equal 3 minus x, right? Cut x-axis. Cut x-axis, right? Is it correct? This one. Cut x-axis, is it? So it means y equals 0. So when y equals 3 minus x, by inserting y equals 0, 0 is 3 minus x. So x equals 3. So automatically b is 3 comma 0. We got 1 point in here. Is it? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. The coordinates of A done. Coordinate of B done. Now is the equation perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, that's very easy, right? Here, we're going to find the bisector, right? This one, AB, right? And this one is A. Okay, this one is A. A is 1 comma 2. And this one is B, right? Here, this one is B. B is 3, 0, right? So what about bisector? What does it mean bisector?
Segaris. Segaris, sir.
What do you mean by that? Perpendicular bisector AB, right? So the bisector AB, I think you have to find the midpoint here. Midpoint here. So what's midpoint here? 1 plus 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 3 divided by 2, comma 2 plus 0 divided by 2, right? This one. You still remember? 1 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 plus 0 divided by 2, right? So you got is 2 comma 1. So this one is 2 comma 1 here. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's bisector to AB, perpendicular. So I think you have to draw perpendicular this one, right? Is it? Right. Is it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what are we going to do first? Find the gradient, right? The gradient AB. The gradient AB, right? The gradient AB. Delta Y over delta X. Yo. Delta Y, this one. 2 minus 0 over 1 minus 3, right? So you got minus 1. Is it? You got minus 1 here. Right. So, let's say this one is C here. So, gradient AB time. Let's say this one what? This one is O, right? Is it? O. This one is O. Right. Times the gradient OC equal minus 1, right? So, minus 1 times the gradient OC equal minus 1. So, the gradient OC is 1. Now is the line equation. Okay, line equation through 2 comma 1, right? 2 comma 1, and the gradient is 1. Okay, y minus y1 equal mx minus x1, right? So y minus, so this one is x1 and this one is y1, right? Y minus 1 equal 1 times x minus 2. So you got y is x minus 1, right? X, so this one is x minus 2, right? So this one. So the line equation perpendicular bisector of AB is y equal x minus 1. Is it clear to you, Dita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.